Hey, this is David with the Prepper Bookshelf. And today's book, pretty good book, Ditch Medicine by Hugh Coffee. Pretty technical, advanced field procedures for emergencies. A lot of good pictures, a lot of good illustrations, talking about how to repair damaged parts of your body, amputations, sucking chest wounds, intravenous therapy, suturing. Now obviously you're not going to want to pull this stuff off unless you have some sort of medical knowledge, medical background, and because of the seriousness of the information, it's got one of those for entertainment purposes only tags, because if you don't know what you're doing, you could really hurt somebody. However, it's better than not having anything. If you find yourself isolated with no help, this is useful. However, it's probably best if you have some EMT training, some sort of medical background for this. But it is worth the money, and it is a good quality book. I would wholeheartedly recommend it. How to set up field IVs, blood transfusions, sew up all sorts of dadgum lacerations and amputations and all sorts of stuff. So, good book, wholeheartedly recommend it, and you ought to get it. So until next time, you can always catch online at prepperbookshelf.com.